Okay, I've got some waste I need to remove here. I need to remove down to this line and down to this line, and do it pretty quickly. So I'm going to use a chisel to just basically hew this waste away. So the first thing I want to do is, I've established my grain direction is going this way. It's really quicker if you chop against the grain, just faster. What you want to do is use your chisel, bevel down, make sure it's shave sharp. That saves you a lot of effort. Good sized chisel. And you set your chisel. You want to make just a quick light chop, set your chisel, and then a good chop. Then move your chisel down. Light chop, heavy chop. If you just make a heavy chop, you're working a lot harder. So if you make a light chop, heavy chop. So when you're going, you get a good rhythm going. It sounds like this. Then take a break, check your waste. Go back over where you were and then keep working down your line. Just again, the same rhythm. Varying your angle to get a deeper or shallower cut too. I want to actually go a little shallower. Cleaning your waste off as you go. Take lots of breaks, and it really is quite a bit faster. Don't come too close to the line, and then use a plane to finish up. And with that, that's your quick tip of the day. Thank you.